Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will be showing you how to use Heygen AI Tool. So let's just begin. First of all, what you need to do is you can see on the left side we have various options. So first of all, we have avatars, voices, templates, brand kits. So in avatars you can choose to create your avatar that is going to be the most suitable. Let's just say if you want a male or female, you can choose from this step. Then we have our voices. So we do have multiple voices for different avatar. So let's just say if you are using a male, you can use this audio, which
Hey
is
there.
Mark.
Here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
And you have many more similarly, and you can choose your audio to work with. You can see we have voice ID and everything to start. Then we have templates. So if you want to simply go with the template, let's just say it is a presentation about some kind of training, you can go with this training template, and we have various others as well. So another thing here is you can head over to the link in the description below to get 22% off to their uh, subscription plans, and that is going to be providing you a lot of value. So make sure to try that out, and basically all you need to do is simply head over to your avatar, select the avatar and write your script. Like for example, if you go with Francis, you will see we have this section opened up. On the left side we can enter our script and simply click on this generate to generate the video.